message, please, if you allow?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
May I please invite Rekha Jain ma'am to say a few words?
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सिमी मैम, आज आप भी एमएमएस बगिया को छोड़कर जा रही हैं। रिटायर होकर जाते हैं तो हमें अच्छा लगता, लेकिन कुछ अच्छा, कुछ बड़ा अचीव करने के लिए जा रहे हो, यह जानकर खुशी हुई। जाते हुए कितनी सारी यादें लेकर जा रही हो और कितनी सारी यादें देकर जा रही हो। कहाँ भूल पाएंगे हम, कहाँ भूल पाएंगे हम जूनियर एनुअल डे में 100% स्टूडेंट्स का पार्टिसिपेशन। बच्चा वीकर सेक्शन का है तो चलो खोया पाया अकाउंट से दिलवाना, और नहीं कुछ तो अरे यह मेरी चेरी किशमिश का घर पर है, मैं ले आऊंगी कह देना। डोंट वरी, आई विल टेक केयर कहकर स्कूल पहुंचाना। क्या क्या गिनवाएंगे, कहाँ भूल पाएंगे हम। कोई भी कंपटीशन हो या इवेंट्स हो स्कूल का, सिर्फ टीचर्स की ड्यूटी नहीं लगाती थी, हर टीचर के साथ खुद भी जुड़ जाती थी। मुझे बताओ कहाँ प्रॉब्लम कहकर झट हल ढूंढ लाती थी। जब तक इवेंट सक्सेसफुल ना हो जाए कहाँ चैन पाती थी। क्या क्या गिनवाएंगे, कहाँ भूल पाएंगे। पेरेंट्स को कब कितना समझाना बखूबी तुमको आता था। बच्चों को अपना बनाना या नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ से काम करवाना, बिना पियन बिना रजिस्टर के स्प्रेड द मैसेज से काम चलाना। क्या क्या गिनवाएंगे, कहाँ भूल पाएंगे हम। स्कूल के कामों में खाना पीना भूल जाती थी, सेहत स्वास्थ्य को छोड़कर स्कूल ड्यूटी को सर्वोपरि बनाती थी। तन मन कितना भी परेशान हो, पर बिना का स्माइल के बिना स्कूल नहीं आती थी। क्या क्या गिनवाएंगे, कहाँ भूल पाएंगे। जब भी ड्रेसिंग सेंस की बात चलेगी, मैचिंग ज्वेलरी, साड़ी, हाई नेक कोट, फुटवियर, क्या क्या गिनवाएंगे, कहाँ भूल पाएंगे हम। मैम, अंत में मैं आपके सुंदर, स्वस्थ और सफल जीवन की कामना करती हूँ, और आपके यहाँ कार्यकाल के समय मुझसे आपके मन वचन काया को किसी भी प्रकार की ठेस पहुंची हो तो मैं हाथ जोड़कर आपसे क्षमा मांगती हूँ। चलते चलते मेरी भावनाएं जो है किशोर कुमार जी की आवाज में 2 लाइनें।
छोटी सी ये दुनिया पहचाने रास्ते हैं, तुम कहीं तो मिलोगे, कभी तो मिलोगे तो पूछेंगे हाँ। छोटी सी ये दुनिया।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच रेखा, जरूर मिलूंगी, बहुत मिलूंगी। इट वाज सो टचिंग, थैंक यू सो मच।
Rekha ma'am, your message was really very beautiful. It added another hue in the rainbow of events. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Jyoti ma'am, can we now please have the video presentation?
Yes, ma'am, we can. I'll just start.
Greetings, everyone. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit, said Aristotle. Truly, Simi ma'am has always been very exceptional and very exemplar in all work that she has done. Whether it is the conduct of annual day, observing classes, or maintaining school records, she has done all her work in a very methodical and a very meticulous manner. She has contributed so much towards the growth and development of the school. She has maintained discipline in the school very well. Myself and ma'am would sit and discuss about school a lot for long hours. I'm truly going to miss her. It's a day of mixed feelings for us. Ma'am, we are definitely going to miss you in the institution. However, we wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. Stay safe, stay blessed always. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Dear Simi ma'am, today is your final day at MAMS. Ma'am, there are certain lines I have written about you that is rare people. There are many people that we meet in our lives, but only a very few will make a lasting impression on our minds and our hearts. These people, like you, will always make you special. They will listen to you and they will talk to you. They will care about your happiness and well being. They will like you for what you are and they will always support you at all times. Dear Simi ma'am, we wish you a new journey of success and happiness in the new phase of your life. May you be showered with abundance of blessings and opportunities to do what your heart desires. Everyone deserves to get a boss like you, a dear colleague, and a wonderful mentor like you. Happy knowing that now you will be helping others to reach the sky. Take care, ma'am, and stay connected. God bless you. We will miss you, ma'am.
Hello, Simi ma'am. On your farewell day, I don't have words to say, but I want to share my feelings. I remember the day when you visited my class for the first time with a broad smile on your face. I always saw you smiling in any situation. I pray to God that you smile always. It was lovely to work under the guidance of a great mentor like you. I would like to tell you that I respect you a lot from the bottom of my heart. Working with you was a great pleasure for me. We will miss your voice in the corridor, your last minutes, creative ideas and changes for the annual days, and हमेशा बोलना हो जाएगा हम कर लेंगे. Especially your best wishes cards for the board exams for each staff member's board. You are energetic, enthusiastic, honest, disciplined, and an inspiration for all the students. This goodbye is not a sign of me departing from your life forever. Instead, it's a silent message of saying that you will be dearly missed and hope to see you soon again. Goodbye and best of luck for your new beginning. Goodbye, Simi ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. What to talk about Simi ma'am? Simi ma'am is very pleasant and positive personality. Whenever I went to her to ask for some advice, she has given a valuable advice. She is having a very personal gesture, very warm gesture of sending chocolate. I remember then when my daughter was in class 12th, she sent a chocolate as a good luck gesture. God ma'am has its own plan. I always say, this is not a farewell. This is a new beginning. All the best to you, ma'am. Stay in touch.
Good morning, Simi ma'am. Now that you are entering a new phase of your life, the memories that we made together, I really feel I am blessed to have known a person like you. Ma'am, when I think back about days, the most frequent message I think both of us have shared is, are you awake? Because both of us are late night birds. I would miss that most, ma'am. Ma'am, I've written few lines for you. Taking in care, we belong to the same department, queen of all subjects. May your happiness be always an increasing curve. May your wishes be fulfilled with compound interest, that too calculated quarterly. May your future health be congruent to present. May your ever smiling face, we should never forget, be always symmetric. We all hope that there are no minimas in your life, all maximas, all maximas. Ma'am, we'll miss you. And last but not the least, we'll miss your birthday ice creams, ma'am. Keep in touch. Thank you.
Simi ma'am, you are going. What to say? I have written some lines for you. If it was in our hands, we would have never let you go. I wonder whether the school corridors would ever be the same. For you were always there, putting in your best to maintain discipline with so much pain. From now on, there will be different mornings. May you add new colors to life every day. You ensured that every work was executed with perfection, motivating everyone with praise and affection. We'll remember your positive aura and smile that glare, the little moments of happiness that you never forgot to share. Needless to say, pretty saris and bright overcoats that I used to cherish, I sincerely pray in every walk of life, may you flourish. I know difficult it is to say goodbyes. Leaving your place brings sweet memories and tears in the eyes. Wishing you good health and happiness always. You will be missed, ma'am. Lots and lots of love to you. Good luck.
Hello, Simi ma'am. Dear Simi ma'am, life and living is a blessing, but it becomes more blissful when people like you come along. Time flies unknowingly, but these years and time that has been spent under your guidance and mentorship is truly enriching. You have been there for all of us whenever we were in any doubt or confusion. Energetic, curious, epitome of grace, innovative, and whatnot. Today I will fall short of adjectives. Today, when I wonder and cherish in a happy state and look back to see what a thriving and beautiful journey you have completed as a maths teacher, a philomath, a true mathematician. There are countless memories that we have cherished together. I would like to mention a few here. Remember the time when we started with the maths event in one Mahotsav inter-school competition. PC sir was wandering around to look for a maths activity, and that was the time when you came up with mathematical rap song. What a legendary take to blend music with numbers. And guess what? That wasn't stopping. Every year you came up with even more brilliant idea. Maths magic mystery, mathematical travelogue, tangram creations and whatnot. Seems like winning in Mahotsav, one Mahotsav is a league now. Another feather in the cap is the selection of maths model at state level science exhibition. Not once, but twice. As a department, we first came with the idea of fighting earthquakes. And then again, we came up with the idea of corrugated classroom. It's truly overwhelming to have these glorified years with you. Well, it's only in the mysterious equation of love that any logical reasons can be found. Perhaps just like that, it's good to have a beautiful mind, but it's even greater to have a beautiful heart just like yours. Goodbyes faint at such moment, as this farewell is just from the school, but not from our hearts. We will always look for your expertise, today and forever. Have a wonderful life ahead. Love from Maths Department.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். சபிக்கு मेरा नमस्कार. Today Simi ma'am is leaving our MAMS family. She is our vice principal. She worked as a vice principal for a long duration in our school. She is not only our vice principal, she is a great mathematician of MAMS. She worked hard not only in academics, but for all competitions we used to have in our maths department. We had a growth in our maths department after she joined in our school. And she is a very, very innovative person in the timetable committee. We used to have a long discussion in the beginning of the session whenever we prepare the time. Every committee also, and whenever I am at my hometown, she is the only female staff member making phone call to me every time, and she used to ask me how is everything, what is going there. So definitely I will miss her, and I am also blessed. Ma'am, I wish you good success in your future career, and thanks for your support, and thank you.
मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, तो जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। सूरज ना बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल, सूरज ना बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल, मिले या अंगारे सच की राहों पे चलता चल, सच की राहों पे चलता चल, प्यार दिलों को देता है, अश्कों को दामन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। चलती है लहरा के पवन की सांस सभी की चलती रहे, चलती है लहरा के पवन की सांस सभी की चलती रहे, लोगों ने क्या जिए जीवन के प्रीत दिलों में पलती रहे, के प्रीत दिलों में पलती रहे, दिल वो दिल है जो अपनी धड़कन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है।
Respected and dear Simi ma'am, never thought we'll have to do this one day. You will always remain in our heart as a person who always greet with a smile, never rushed, not abrupt. You always have time. Around you, we never feel like a nag. You make the people feel worth the while. Warmth, your charm, and your humble affect is worth all the time in the world. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your motivational words and guidance. We have learned a lot from you. All the best. Thank
Greetings, everyone. We are what we
Jyoti ma'am?
To you. Sorry, my laptop actually it got hanged, but the video was played till end.
Okay. Now we really have a special surprise for each one. Jyoti ma'am, would you please play that special video?
Yes, ma'am. Just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Mommy. You've achieved new height of excellence, and we're all very, very proud of you. For the longest time, you did everything for us without asking for anything in return. And now that you are going to be handling such a position, and you've achieved all of this on your own, and you're going to be handling such a big position, uh, all of us will be here for you and we'll support you. And we know that you have it in you everything, the beauty, the brains, the patience, everything to handle whatever's going to come at you next with uh, grace. And all of us here love you very much, and we all wish you the very best for your future adventures.
That was a surprise, indeed.
You liked it?
Yes, I did.
The way everyone has showered their affection and respects towards you, ma'am,
has really swelled up our heart, leaving several nostalgic moments and times we will cherish. Truly speaking, happy times come and go, but memories stay forever. Now, I would request our Revered Principal Ma'am, Dr. Pratibha Kohli, to share her thoughts on this special day.
Yeah, just need to just wait a second. I'll just 1 second.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. For me, not having Simi ma'am around is going to be extremely challenging. Both of us joined Maharaja Agrasen Model School together, and you know, good times or bad times, Simi ma'am was always with me. So the school had good times when we used to win awards, when the children used to win for the school, and ma'am was always there for me. There were tough times like fee hikes and all, and the parents making things very challenging for the school, but then she would always be by my side. And I think in good or bad, in thick or thin, ma'am has absolutely helped me, supported me so much. uh, we have a big challenge around with what should I say, fee becoming a problem, private schools going ahead becoming a becoming an issue. And then I always used to feel that Simi ma'am is around, so whatever parents say and come, or whatever teachers would say, ma'am is there. I'm truly going to make miss a big support. uh, However, there's lots to learn from the way Simi ma'am handled school. uh, she would be she would put her heart into each and every work. So whether it is taking a maths class with class 9 or 10, whether it is monitoring the floor, whether it is uh, conducting annual day, as you all said, with 100% attendance. Her time of about 10 or 11 years in fact in the school, has a message that uh, how lot of dedication, lot of sincerity, lot of hard work can and improve things so much. She has contributed immensely to the growth of the school. uh, and she would put her heart, mind into the work, whatever she would do. So that is what we need to learn from her. So you would never hear Simi ma'am saying that I'll do this tomorrow, I need to go home early. So, or ma'am, it is time, I can go. Whenever I would say anything, she would say, ma'am, I'll stay and I'll do. So that type of willingness to take up the work is so much in her, and that earns the admiration of one and all. When she could easily go home at 2:20 every day like all other teachers would, but she would not go home at 2:20, and she would complete her work, take work home, and excel in everything she did. So that is what we got to learn from a person who is extremely hardworking, very methodical, and puts all effort into achieving whatever one needs to do for the institution. She always kept institution first, and everything else was later. She always kept the school first over and above whatever uh, other obligations one might have. So she would hardly say that I've got work in family, or I have to go and meet my friends. Such things you would never hear from ma'am. I think her work, her dedication, even I've learned that how much dedicated she is to her work, and it is absolutely exemplary. Ma'am, I know being a vice principal can be very tough and challenging. You have a principal who puts work on you. You have teachers who you need to make them work. So, but you could sail through all this so well, and I'm sure with your dedication, expertise, the future beholds a lot of success for you. I thank you so much for your wonderful work in the school, and I wish you lots and lots of success. Absolutely, I'm going to miss you, but then I'm delighted that you will be a principal of a school, and I wish you all the best for that. God bless you, ma'am. Stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. They were, I don't know, I am whether I deserve it or not, but it was so heartwarming, and I can't tell you. I'm speechless at all the love and affection shared by all of you.
Ma'am, you deserve it. That's why you're getting it, because you deserve all the
probably
affection.
one cannot estimate one's strength, but I'm surprised to hear the things that I hear about myself. Thank you so very much.
Our
Thank
pleasure.
you, and so kind of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request our special guest for the day, our dear Sivi ma'am, to say a few words.
I am, for a change, absolutely speechless. I have seen each one of you coming up with such wonderful words, wonderful things to say about me. I don't know. I must have been angry with many of you. I don't know. But I really don't know how and how. I mean, it's going to be difficult for me also. I have lived my life for 11 years here, all between all of you. There is no word be it motivation from management, be it motivation from ma'am and teachers. I got all in 11 years very beautifully, and probably it helped me groom myself. And that is why probably I could step forward. I stepped forward because MMS trained me for it. Maybe I felt I was ready for it. And it is amazing to hear most of you. There are people who have not heard speaking at all. Vasudha, never heard so much talking from her at all. It was amazing. Kanchan was saying it so beautifully. Neha and Ritu are seasoned. Dilavar sir are they're seasoned speakers. And every one of you have really made me feel so good. So much of love and affection that I'm carrying with me. It is going to stay with me all my life. Bhupati sir, I've never heard him speaking so much. I mean, it is surprising for me completely. Ma'am, thank you so very much for this blessed time. I'm going to cherish it all my life. From my side, my family, I thank all of you. I never knew Kishmish was going to speak. My elder one never mentioned it at all to me, because probably, I don't know, they've never felt anything around like this. They were very happy, yes, and they are. I'm very happy to have a bigger family as well now. Thank you, everyone. And please, anything, anytime you require me, I will always be there with you.
Thank you so much, Simi ma'am. May you have a wonderful time ahead. Loads and loads of love
Thanks a
and
lot.
from the MAMS family. Now I would
Thank you.
request PC sir to please take over and accord the vote of thanks.
Good evening to all of you. Before
Good
giving the
evening,
vote
sir.
of thanks, I will say something about Simi ma'am. Simi ma'am is so much energetic. Within a
Sir,
minute,
please
I
turn
found her
your
on the
camera
top
on,
floor.
sir. Sir, turn your camera on.
Okay, ma'am. Within 1 minute, I was finding him on the top floor, then on the ground floor. Everywhere, every time she was fighting with the discipline, and she made the students disciplined also. In my department, when we are facing the problem in organizing the activities, she did all efforts, and every problem was solved by her. Whenever I do the telephone caller that madam, these students have to participate, immediately she gave the solution. So in her presence, I was fully confident that in math department, any activity can be performed. So now I am going to give the vote of thanks. Good evening to all of you. Today is an important day when we are together to remember the memorable deeds of Simi ma'am, who has been one of the strong pillar of our school. I would like to thank everyone to being a part of the online get together. It is amazing to see the enthusiasm of all the staff members who convey their good wishes for our upcoming years. I also wish her good health and a prosperous future. Thanks everyone for joining us to bid farewell to Simi ma'am. Thanks everybody.
Thank you so much, PC sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, PC sir. I would never
Yes, ma'am.
forget with your phone ringing in your suitcase there,
Okay, ma'am.
and every time we were hunting for you. But you have been such a big companion around to help out in every decision, everything. PC sir, I can never forget you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, I just
No.
want to share that today also we had a short farewell for ma'am in the school, and somehow Neeraj has not shared the pics with me, but I'll share the pics in the staff group.
Thank you, ma'am. Share it with me too, ma'am.
Absolutely, you are in the staff group. I'll share with you also.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
मैं भी
Thank
कर
you.
देता हूँ
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Neeraj. is
Neeraj,
here,
play
ma'am.
कर दे. Neeraj, are you in the meeting?
यस मैम
Yes, I heard
Neeraj,
him.
please share the pics or you pass on to Jyoti so that everyone can see.
ज्योति मैम को व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ ठीक है ज्योति मैम
हाँ WhatsApp कर दो ज्योति को. ज्योति अभी शेयर कर दो प्लीज.
जी
Simi ma'am, till the time he's sharing pictures with me, मैंने अपना वीडियो मैसेज इसलिए नहीं डाला था क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था वीडियो की ड्यूरेशन बहुत लंबी हो गई थी.
Thank you, Jyoti, for taking care of that.
And we are truly going to miss you. The first thing that we used to see the smile on your face and your sari collections. Oh my God, it was amazing. And
You
you
all
were,
have beautiful collections.
and you were always there, ma'am, for us. For always there. You were there, like you were the one जिसको हम approach कर सकते थे कि okay, you want to, ma'am. मतलब sometimes you need someone to just to listen you, and you were there कि ma'am ऐसे आओ, and with the warmth you, मतलब it was really great having you here,
Thank you
ma'am. We
so
are
much,
surely
ma'am.
going to miss you.
I am so touched, I can't tell you.
सिमी मैम केशव बोल रही हूँ. सिमी मैम.
हाँ जी केशव मैम. हाँ जी केशव मैम.
अब वो जो अलमीरा है आपकी सामान की, जो हमारे रूम में ड्रेसिंग वाली, उसको हम यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे अब आपके बिना.
क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे? सारे एनुअल डेज में काम आएगा मैम. जो कुछ पड़ा है, कुछ रिबन थे जो मैंने अजय को पकड़ाए हैं, जो गेम्स में यूज हो जाएंगे.
आप जोड़ जो करते थे ना, वो करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा हमारे लिए.
मैम अब आप सब ट्रेन हो इसके लिए. बहुत अच्छे से आप लोग करते हो ये काम. आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से करते हो ये काम.
Ma'am, may I conclude it, if you allow?
Just 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ज्योति. हाँ Neetu, Jyoti is just sharing the pics
Yes, ma'am.
for everyone to see.
फुल स्क्रीन तो कर लो ज्योति मैम।
Neeraj, you didn't give her a chance to crop them.
I'll share in the start too. No problem.
That's it. These were the photographs.
Thank you so much, Jyoti.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. It was very touching, and I would never, never forget my family there. I will be available for you anytime. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
We
so much,
really
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, PC sir, for everything. Thank you, Neetu,
Thank you, ma'am.
for
Simi,
such
ma'am.
kind words.
As we conclude this virtual meet, I would just like to say goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. It simply means we will miss you until we meet again.
Yes.
And as it is Rekha ma'am, she played a wonderful song, if you remember the words.
Yes.
Right? I'm a bad singer.
Keep
Otherwise,
echoing in my head.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Right.
Thank you,
Very
Rekha, for that. Thank you so much. How observant you had been. I never knew this.
Everybody is speechless.
So am I.
Teachers can leave the meeting, please. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Simi ma'am. Take care.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Good luck, ma'am. Good luck, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. I definitely need it. Thank you.
All the best, ma'am. Congratulations
Thank
and
you.
all the best for your new project of life. We will
Thank
definitely
you
miss
so
you, ma'am.
much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
All the best, ma'am. Simi ma'am.
Thank you.
All the best, Simi ma'am.
Thank you.
All the best, ma'am. We'll miss you.
Thank you, Simi ma'am.
So will I. So will I, Vandana. Thank you.
Thank you, Simi ma'am. All the best. Wonderful life
Thank
ahead.
you.
Thank you, ma'am, for being with us. So
Thank you, Teshi. You spoke so well. Thank you.
मैम बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको मैम। आप हमेशा इतनी आगे बढ़ते जाओ कि बस हम देखते ही रह जाएं आपको।
Soni ma'am, thank you so much for all the help, all the efforts that you have done along with me. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you.
All the best, madam. God bless you.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. All the
Bye
best.
bye. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. All the best. We are going to miss you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'll definitely miss this second home of mine.
Thank you, Simi, ma'am. I will really miss you.
Ma'am, all the best to you. Thank you so much, Simi ma'am. And all the best.
Thank you everyone.
एक बात सुनो